Hello, I am Karen Pauline and this is my video presentation about the Cartilla ng Katipunan by Emilio Jacinto. Cartilla number 4. Be their skin dark or pale, all men are equal. One can be superior to another in knowledge, wealth, and beauty, but not in being. Cartilla number 6. An honorable man's word is his bond. And Cartilla number 8. Defend the oppressed and fight the oppressor. The Cartilla I chose is number 4, which is be their skin dark or pale, all men are equal. So we have this situation in the Philippines where people are having these standards, so they end up judging other people. So we have people judging other people based on their appearance, beauty, knowledge, and skin color. So for example, in skin color is that we have this perception to people that we have pale skin that they are wealthy, because we also have this perception that they don't have to work or do labor under the sun, which that connects to people who are dark skinned, meaning they are poor because they work under the sun and have to do labor. So that is also one of the judgments of the Filipinos. Also in knowledge is that they are using knowledge especially as awards and recognition as for someone who is going to be successful in the future. So people that don't acquire this achievements or awards, they tend to see it as unsuccessful people, or they believe that these people won't reach something soon in life. So another thing is that when it comes to beauty, Filipinos tend to respect them more because they are attractive, and this may lead that they would ignore these people who they don't see like their standard of beauty. So we can clearly see it that they are soft-spoken to someone who are beautiful, but when they meet people that don't fit in their standard of beauty, is they often ignore, or they don't receive the same respect as that attractive person gets. So this kind of judgment is not only harmful but also impacts individuals deeply. It leads to feelings of inferiority, especially for those who do not fit the so-called ideal image. So this discrimination can affect their self-esteem and opportunities in life, making them feel undervalued and overlooked in a society that places more importance on superficial standards more rather than recognizing individual worth. It's essential that we recognize not everyone had the privilege or opportunity to meet these standards, and many are simply doing their best with what they have. So basically, the message of the Cartilla is that no person is superior to another based on external characteristics such as skin color or appearance. True quality, as envisioned by the Cartilla ng Katipunan, means acknowledging the inherent value of every individual, regardless of their physical traits or societal status. It reminds us that every person, regardless of their background or appearance, deserves the same respect and dignity. Let us all learn to respect each other because some of us were not given the privilege to meet these narrow societal standards such as knowledge. Not everyone had the chance to finish school as they have problems in financial and beauty, success, or status. We still deserve to be treated with kindness and respect.